Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read a French book called La Culotte. Je vais lire un livre qui s'appelle La Culotte. Written by Rosalind Bonnet. Un loup avait juste une culotte. Il l'avait depuis toujours et il l'adorait. Once upon a time, there was a wolf who only had one pair of underpants. He had it forever, a very long time, and he adored it. Il se promenait avec sa culotte. He would go for walks wearing his underpants. What else did he do? Il mangeait avec sa culotte. He would eat with his underpants. Use them as a bib. Il jouait avec sa culotte. He would play with his underpants. He's having a lot of fun. Il dormait avec sa culotte. He would even sleep, go to bed with his underpants on his head. Mais un jour, la culotte se craqua. But one day, the underpants tore. Il faut la recoudre. Et puis, c'est tout, diagnostiqua le petit souris. All you have to do is sew it back together, said his friend the mouse. Le loup, très inquiet pour sa culotte, partit en ville acheter du fil. The wolf was very worried about his underpants, so he went off to town to find some thread. Dans le magasin, il hésita longtemps. In the shop, he just looked around for a very long time. He hesitated. Finalement, il choisit du fil rouge. Finally, he chose some red thread. C'est vraiment très joli, se dit-il. It's really very pretty, he said to himself. Il acheta 20 bobines pour être sûr d'en avoir assez et rentra tout content chez lui. He bought 20 spools of thread, red thread, just to make sure that he had enough. And he returned home. Mais arrivé à la maison, catastrophe! Il n'y avait plus qu'une moitié de culotte. But as he got home, catastrophe! There was only one half of his underpants left. Where's the other half? Le loup chercha partout. He looked everywhere. Mais la moitié manquante était introuvable. But the half that was missing was nowhere to be found. Poor Wolfie. Alors le loup se mit à pleurer très fort. The wolf began to cry very loudly. Enfin, la petite souris sortit de son trou. Finally, the little mouse came out of its little mouse hole. Bon, ça va. Okay, that's enough. Ne pleure pas. Don't cry. Tiens, je te le rends, mon morceau de culotte. Here's your half of the underpants. It was him that had it. C'était pour me faire un lit. I just wanted to make myself a bed. Maintenant, je vais encore dormir par terre. And now I'll have to go back to sleeping on the floor. Oh dear. Cette nuit-là, le loup s'endormit, tout heureux avec sa culotte raccommodée. That night, the wolf went to bed all happy because he had mended his underpants. Mais ce n'était pourtant pas lui le plus heureux du monde. But he wasn't the happiest one of all in the world. Who was happiest? car cette nuit-là, la petite souris était la plus heureuse du monde. Because that night, it was the mouse who was the happiest in the world. She got all the leftover spools of thread to make a bed. La fin. The end. Au revoir.